Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the Windows Security app, because that is the modern interface for Windows Defender features. Press the Windows key and type Windows Security, then hit Enter. This immediately brings up the app. If search is slow or disabled, open Settings and use the search bar there to locate Windows Security. Once done, glance at the left-hand menu to confirm you see Virus and Threat Protection, Firewall and Network Protection, and App and Browser Control. These confirm you're in the right place. You now navigate deeper to manage Defender behavior. This is where control happens. Click Virus and Threat Protection to view current protection status. If it shows active, real-time protection is running. Next, choose Manage Settings to enable or disable real-time protection, cloud-delivered protection, and automatic sample submission. Adjust thoughtfully because these affect detection speed and privacy. Also check protection history to see past quarantines and actions, since that helps you decide whether to restore or remove items. Finish by verifying definitions and running a scan so you know the system is clean. Make sure virus definitions are up to date in the Virus and Threat Protection area, then run a quick scan for speed or a full scan for thoroughness. If Windows Security or Defender features are missing, check optional features to re-add Windows Defender or run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system components. If that still fails, restart Windows Update Services and reboot. Then recheck the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.